Shubor nakaslem jong unausan hima.
Kumbalong lem habaro kaway kari ka School Savio Secondary School Jarasi mentakas ngi kalapanlong ya ka program ka ba isyong kun ban rakhe kerpang ya kasngi borom jong ki kena ya ka bala jutip kum ka Children's Day ka baderu kasngi kha jong President Baningkong do kari India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ubadan ya ka jingi ka bayajan bat kerpang ya ki kena rin. Hagani kasngi uba Rocky marwen weni ki samla rangba karibhoy ubu judan benta shibo na ki emlang kasalang ulawan ban shimti ya ka benta kum kongsan hagajingi dan rengkat jong ka kong Michelle Shadap supervisor ka Bharti Airtel Foundation kum ka sembut kongsan ka kong Margaret Jerwa headmistress jong ka school nalor ki nong hikai ki kena school lembat ki kme ki pa. Nakajingle kemen le ngobha rengkat ka syat ka tembat karwai ka stio nakaliang ki bor penya jong ka school kilayo ruban sam ki khosnam ki kena school ki bala ban job haki jingya ko babher ki bala de ban penlong haki ni ki khendiat sngi ki bala dam ka ba kampen sngo tenat shushu haki ni ka sngi ka dei baka school kalayo ban pli pa ba ya ka podium jong ka bala no sen yang do ba Rocky Marwen pada ka library ka bala ais ngobha ta ka Bharti Airtel Foundation khnang bakan long gajing mentoy ya ki khna puli jong kani ka school
ban kibok pa kam ka jam kan ha na ka bangka kan ka podium ba kan podium ka ai gajing sakri ba jana ya ka school men khapi ni ba
ngin at bilang baro ya ka library jogi na deplementa Congratulations these winners support ya ka house la jong ki red house bali ginja red house
We also have the spoon race for. Okay, next event for the nursery category, we also have the third event, and that is spoon race. Spoon race. I will also like. Come on, Yellow House, cheers house. Dai la bien rapsang from Yellow House.
continue to clap ikna baro bila sampiana thapti thabe pensawa ya ka school baro jinglong kena kawan tang shisin bat ka pensa kan mau shirta ha kane ka jog ji abun kam ka jinglong kena ru ka ya stet bah to ale bat tasnga ya kane ka por jinglong kena jongi
baro ki kena ki ong kumno ka jinglong kena jongi ka long
Kendit Benriu
Nakajin Posni.
Ban penkre ya kalawe. Kamiet kalasta.
Jing Im Kamare Step.
Ino ya jingdum shedin.
Kasngi Kala Step.
Hato Pimlik School. Lale Kabo School.
Hapoy Tuloy Sha School.
Nga klem kentai ya ka jing kerpat ka jongki hai bor ibarit kani ka podium PE ka longkum ni kadi kamde ka ba ai tango ba roki henry kadi ka jing kurku ka do ka jong play ba lengba jong u ula persat mensim ba ula ai nga ka bor ka boy bangan perulong ya ka jing angnut jong kani ka school kadi ka ski ka ba kerpang ba irakhe ya kata ski hakaba ila kasi jong ki kena bangitip kum kata children's day ba ngakwa banong hang ni ba kadon ka kentin ka baong a good education can change anyone but a good teacher can change everything today naman takadaw kajing simkya, kajing nok senyang, jong kinong hikai, kata ka komitmen ka bakidon, ka penlong, ya ki kwi ki kepa, ban shanya, ban pai ki khon ki jong pi, hakani ka school serio be ki jong ni. Bat habangawan, pet ya kajing penkre ka jong pi, bat habangai i ya ki performance ki baki kena ki perform, bat ki i resap ka jong ki, nai i bakat lo. Kaniga school kadon kata ka jingkerman bat kumba kaniga school kala syakri ya kaniga dong ba ike jongi ngangit bahakisi banangwan nila banyo shibun ya kikena bat yo tau so bangin sepsei na kaniga school ke jongi kalong ni ke kiro kaba kumki kmiki kpa kidon kebenta kaba kerpang bakum bang ong ya kajing shania kajong pi ya kaniga school namar khambun sin hi ba ki khun ki jongi ki khampanut ya kapor ka jongki ha ki school ke sni ke babun ka jongki khun ki jongi babun ki kenta ki de hapo school but hadin ba ki khun ki lami na ki hing ki jongi ki de ki nong hi ka ki ba it ki ba shim ya ka benta jongki kmi ki pa lada kamdon kata ka bonding lada kamdon kata ka jingshania hapdeng kikmi kikpa bat kinong hikai lada kamdon kanu ka jingi trilang hapdeng kikmi kikpa bat kinong hikai nginam la ban penlong ya kata ka good institution nginam la ban penlong ya kata ka shlam jing hikai ka babha lada ngimi tri rengkat
We are in collaboration or partners with Education Department, and for now currently we are working with 45 schools is one of them, and also our goal is to enhance the quality of education of our school, and we mainly focus on 4 pillars, and that is the student engagement, teachers engagement, parents and community involvement, and also the school environment. So that's a brief about the place I work or about the Bharti Foundation. So today it's a very special day as we celebrate the inauguration program of the new library and also the podium, as well as we are celebrating our Children's Day. So the library and the podium. This library, I'm sure, it will provide a great place or a wonderful place for our students so that they can learn, explore, grow. While the podium is a place where the students, they can showcase their talent as they are doing it now. They can showcase their talent and also speak confidently, as well as learn or develop different kind of skills.